In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles in Udemy. Whether you're aiming to improve comprehension or simply prefer reading along, enabling subtitles can significantly enhance your learning experience. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, ensuring you can activate this feature with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to start at your Udemy dashboard. When you log into your account, you'll be greeted by a range of options tailored to your learning interests. From here, navigate to the My Learning section. This is where all the courses you are currently enrolled in are neatly organized. Take a moment to scan through your courses and select the one for which you'd like to turn on subtitles. Simply click on that course and you'll be directed to its specific page filled with detailed content ready for your exploration. Now, once you're inside the course, look for the video lesson you want to watch. Udemy's interface is quite user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding the lesson plan or video list. Click on the video to get started. As the video begins to play, turn your attention to the video controls, which are typically located at the bottom of the video player. Here, you'll want to locate the captions icon. It's usually represented by the familiar CC symbol or a small speech bubble, indicating closed captions or subtitles. Clicking on this icon will present you with a few options. You can either turn the subtitles off or on, depending on your current preference. If you proceed to turn them on, you'll usually get to choose from subtitles available in different languages. However, if your preference is for English subtitles, you might see an option labeled English Auto. Selecting this setting typically enables real-time transcription, auto-generated by the platform to follow the spoken words in the video as closely as possible. It's worth noting that while this automatic feature is immensely helpful, it might not be perfectly accurate, as it relies on machine-generated transcription. For those courses with professionally edited subtitles, turning captions on will ensure you get the most precise text corresponding to the instructor's voice. And just like that, you've successfully enabled subtitles for your Udemy course video. This tool can be particularly useful if you're a learner who thrives on reading alongside listening, or if you're working in an environment where sound is better kept to a minimum. Remember, having subtitles can be a game changer to enhance your comprehension and retention of the material. So, feel free to experiment with these settings across various courses and see how this multi-textual approach to learning can benefit you. Thank you for joining me in this simple yet empowering journey today, and happy learning.